guys, welcome to my video. So if you've seen me like these things, I look so ugly. I'm gonna do the blindfold slime challenge. So let's get on to the video. And also, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna show you what we're gonna make slime. We need laundry detergent. Already that fell. I put Tide inside a baby jar. I hope I don't drop it. Some baking soda. Some food coloring. Some glue. You need PVA, non-toxic glue. A bowl and a spoon to mix this. So let's get started. Okay. That's the one. Okay. And 3, 2, 1, let's start. I just need to separate these two. I hope I don't drop the baking soda. Okay, this is my glue. I just pour out my glue. See? Pouring out my glue. Pouring out my glue. Okay. Okay. Then I put it in the table good. Okay, now let's get the condition up. And I'm going to choose this one. I can't see what color this is. I hope it's not red. No, I don't want this color. Okay. I'm closing my eyes too. What's this color? Okay. Is it? Okay. So that doesn't work. Wait. Okay. I'm pulling out my. Okay. I think I put a little bit too much of it. Now let's mix it up. Okay, so I'm making my slime in. Not my slime. You can see. Okay, it's good. Now the baking. I think I have the baking soda here. I think I put too much of it. Oh my god. Yeah. And then point out my baking soda, I think. Now let's put some laundry detergent. Okay, then it's it. Wait, did it push it? This is way harder. Are they getting thicker? Wow. Oh, I think they way added too much. Are they getting thicker? There's no slime now. So it doesn't like slime. It's pretty awful. Okay. I think I put it together. A little bit more. Okay. Okay, I think I put a little bit too much of it. I think I pour some too much. Now we mix it up. Oh, I poured too much of it. It's pretty getting fine. This is gonna be an ugly bad color. I'm gonna knead it with my hand. It's so gooey. A bit sticky. Okay, so so it's my slime result. Okay. So this is my slime. So I'm gonna see how it looks like. So I'm gonna take off my blindfold. So I'm gonna take off my blindfold and see how it looks like. Oh my god. I made it ugly purple. Look you guys, this is my slime. I didn't put any color. I didn't put any color. Oh, it's like a black slime. It's like so awful. So that's all my fun video. So it looks so bad right there. Did it stretch? I think I added too much weight. I think I added. So that's for all guys on here. So if you like it, please subscribe, like, and watch my video. Look at this. It's not even stretching. Did I whip on? This is my shiny time. It's good. What's that? It's good. It looks so good. I will give it a 5 out of. That was so sticky. This is my slime result. Looks so bad. So that's for all guys. If you like it, please subscribe, like, and I'll see you next video. Bye.